Building an app in the past usually meant developing separately for web and mobile. Today, Bloom changes that. Now you can build universal apps without having to maintain 2 different codebases or rebuild everything from scratch. Let me show you. Here's an app that I built in Bloom for collecting design inspiration. Now the cool part is that I can open the app natively on my phone by simply scanning this QR code. Inside the app, I can upload photos, videos, links, or literally anything that I come across. And as you can see, the app is fast, smooth, and fully native, working exactly how you'd expect on a mobile device. Now, let's see what happens when I try this out on web. Using the new device switcher, I can instantly preview the web version. And as you can see, this is where things usually break. The layout is stretched, the navigation isn't translating well, and it's not something I feel comfortable sharing. So let's fix that. Instead of having to rebuild everything, I'll just describe the changes that I want. I'll prompt Bloom to update the navigation, to create a responsive grid, and to update the detail page so that everything looks great on web. All right, we've got a new version. Let's check it out. So we've got a new navigation, the grid is web responsive, and we even have a Command K menu to search for posts. How cool is that? And because both web and mobile versions are connected to the same backend, any links or photos that I upload on the web app will instantly show up on the mobile app too. When I'm ready to share the app with others, I can simply press on the share button in the header and make sure that the web toggle is selected so that when people press on this link, they immediately go to a full screen web experience. And if someone wants to switch to mobile, they can do so at any time by scanning the QR code right from the app. And that's Universal Apps in Bloom. Now, you don't have to choose between web and mobile, or split your time maintaining both. We can't wait for you to join thousands of founders, designers, and developers building cross-platform apps on Bloom.